Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to enable tablet mode on this laptop. So in order to enable tablet mode on your laptop, first let's enable navigation keys for tablet mode. To do that, go to settings and then in settings select accessibility, go to cursor and touchpad settings, and then switch this toggle to the right to enable navigation buttons in tablet mode. Now in order to go into tablet mode, you just have to flip the screen of your device all the way back, and this way you will enable the tablet mode itself. And you can use this device normally, since it does have a touch screen and also navigation buttons, as you can see right here. So you can normally use this laptop as a tablet and open games on it, play games on it with a touch screen. Unfortunately, the lighting in my room doesn't allow me to show you how well it looks, but that's basically how you do it. You can also put your device as a tent, which allows it to stand still, which allows you to watch movies on it, for example, and that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.